Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure prerequisites are met so fixes take effect immediately. First, update Geforce Experience and launch it as administrator. Permissions matter. Then open Windows Privacy and verify camera and microphone access plus background app permissions for NVIDIA. At the same time, open services and confirm NVIDIA container and Geforce Experience service are running. Restart them if needed. Once done, try toggling the in-game overlay to see if the privacy control reappears and proceed only if it's still missing. Now perform the more detailed steps. Download the latest NVIDIA driver and choose the Clean Install option during setup to remove old components that may hide the privacy control. Next, uninstall Geforce Experience, delete its app data folder to remove corrupted settings, and reinstall the app so overlay modules register correctly. Make sure antivirus or firewall isn't quarantining NVIDIA overlay files by briefly disabling them. Make sure to re-enable protection after testing. After reinstall, re-enable in-game overlay and check the privacy Finish by resetting Geforce Experience settings or removing local configuration files, then restart the system to let fresh components load. If the privacy control remains missing, run Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode for a complete cleanup and then reinstall the latest driver and Geforce Experience. Make sure to test recording and overlay shortcuts after reboot. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip is to roll back any recent Windows or driver updates that began when the control disappeared, because regressions can reintroduce bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.